Today I want to talk to you about skincare and the benefits of GAINO EXCEL'S Rejuvenating Cream with Ganoderma. Together, we'll discover how this cream can help us achieve radiant, healthy, and luminous skin. What's something people don't know about the incredible reishi mushroom, also known as the mushroom of immortality? This fascinating fungus has captivated the interest of many due to its remarkable health benefits and its revered status in traditional medicine. This mushroom, scientifically known as Ganoderma Lucidum, has been used in traditional Chinese and Japanese medicine for centuries and is highly valued for its healing properties and health benefits. It was often reserved for royalty and the elite, believed to enhance longevity and vitality. Recently, its benefits for the skin have been discovered thanks to its powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties help to protect the skin from environmental stressors and reduce signs of aging. It can improve the overall health of our skin, helping it function better and promoting a more youthful and radiant appearance. Regular use of reishi-infused products can lead to smoother, clearer, and more resilient skin. Say goodbye to irritation, redness, and blemishes, and welcome radiant and healthy skin. Reishi is a true gift from nature for our skin. Embrace the power of this ancient remedy and let your skin glow with natural beauty and health. Let's talk now about Chaga mushroom extract, another star ingredient in the world of natural beauty. This remarkable mushroom, which thrives in the cold forests of the north, has been used for centuries for its incredible medicinal properties. Known for its resilience and potency, chaga has been a staple in traditional medicine, revered for its health benefits. This fantastic mushroom is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, making it the best friend of young and radiant skin. It also helps reduce redness and irritation, evening out skin tone for a healthy, glowing look. By incorporating chaga into your skincare routine, you can achieve a more balanced and even complexion. Chaga strengthens the skin barrier, preventing moisture loss and protecting it from environmental factors. It also prevents damage caused by free radicals and other external agents, keeping skin soft, supple, and youthful. Additionally, it supports overall skin health, ensuring your skin remains hydrated and resilient against daily stressors. Let's move on to an ingredient that many of you know and love: green tea. It is full of antioxidants that fight free radicals, deeply hydrates, improves skin elasticity, and protects it from the sun's harmful UV rays. Karité butter, a hug of hydration for your skin. This natural treasure is like a balm for dry and damaged skin, packed with essential fatty acids and vitamins. It is also an effective anti-inflammatory, ideal for soothing irritated skin and reducing redness. Jojoba oil, the perfect skin imitator. This oil helps regulate sebum production, balancing oily and dry skin. Coconut oil, the all-rounder of skincare. This oil is a powerful moisturizer, ideal for combating dryness and flaking. It also has antibacterial and antifungal properties, which helps prevent premature aging. Vitamin E, the queen of eternal youth. This powerful antioxidant protects our skin from free radical damage, improving the appearance of scars. It also helps reduce inflammation and promotes cell regeneration. Orange peel oil, a citrus touch for radiant skin. This citrus oil is an effective, astringent, and natural exfoliant that removes dead skin cells, leaving it soft and smooth. Tangerine oil, a gift of radiance for your skin. This citrus oil is rich in vitamin C, which fights free radicals and stimulates collagen production. Another magical ingredient, the white truffle. It helps the skin barrier, keeping the skin hydrated. Its antioxidants fight free radicals caused by UV rays and pollution. Rich in vitamin C, it helps reduce blemishes. It fights inflammation, redness, and irritation. Lemon peel oil, the expert in lightening blemishes. This citrus oil is rich in citric acid, a gentle exfoliant with astringent properties. Another mushroom present in the formula is chanterelle, rich in vitamin D, which also strengthens the skin's immune system. The formula is also enriched with rosemary, a natural astringent. In addition, the properties of rosemary make it a perfect ally to combat imperfections such as pimples and blackheads. This cream also has the power of acai, Acai, rich in antioxidants and fatty acids, helps fight skin aging, promoting its luminosity and elasticity. In addition, its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce inflammation and improve the appearance of the skin, especially in cases of acne or irritation. Today we talked about Ganoderma Rejuvenating Cream and its wonderful formula, but we also have a wide range of other amazing products. These include collagen supplements, nourishing goat milk soap, fluoride-free toothpaste, and many more items enriched with Ganoderma. Each of these products is designed to help you take care of your health and beauty in a natural and effective way. If you want to know more about our full product line, get in touch with the person who recommended this video to you. They can provide you with detailed information and help you choose the best products for your needs. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any new videos. We regularly upload content that can help you make the most of our products. Also, leave us your comments below. We would love to hear your opinions, suggestions, and any questions you might have. Your feedback is very important to us. See you next time.